Hello, this is Melissa with Paper Truly. I put together a mock-up of the Storybook layout for an invitation, which fits into an outer number 7 envelope. Wax seal is completely optional. It does make it a little bit thicker for mailing, but I don't believe it should actually change the cost of the postage. Though the postage on this one will be a little bit higher. I think it would be like $1.42, I believe is what they said at the post office. But anyway, so this is an outer number 7 envelope, and then here's the book, which is hardcover. We use chipboard, 2 pieces of chipboard for the front and then for the back. And then basically it's wrapped with 100-pound cardstock. So you can see how it lays fairly flat, very nicely there. And you can kind of see through the bind there. A lot like a regular book, that's how they would go. But this bind is actually simplified. It's too thin to do, a flat spine. But it works really well just doing like a 3-score spine. And then it just folds around that particular thickness of pages, which compared to a real book isn't really that thick. But it feels really nice. It's nice and thick. We've got a little bookmark ribbon, which kind of is glued underneath those pages when the end pages are glued to the board here. For this little mock-up, I had a RSVP just loose with an envelope. It could be a pocket, kind of like a library card thing, I guess, but it could also be loose. You could do that a number of different ways. This particular one has 3 signatures, which actually gives you 8 sides, like 1, 2 of each page. So you have 8 pages to fill there, which is quite a bit of content. And then each page is about 5 by 7, so you got a lot of space to work with for illustrations or content, just written content or whatever you need to have in there, maps or whatever. And then we can do a lot of different things with the cover. We could do just print it on there. We could do colored paper. We could do white paper. We've got some linen finish papers. We could also do gold foiling, which would be pretty. Just depends on your style of how you want the illustrations. The end pages could also be printed and have like kind of an interesting texture or pattern there that kind of leads the guest into the book. So that's that.